In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to remove the extension tube and the wide angle dome port from the Panasonic BGH1 housing. With the back open, what you want to do is pull on the locking mechanism, and the best way to do this is reach in with your fingers and pull it. While you pull onto the locking mechanism, you want to rotate the port, and you can feel the port flanges aligning with the flange pattern of the housing. And once that's done, you can pull the two halves out. The same thing can be done with the extension tube. There is a locking mechanism inside that you simply reach in and basically you pull, and then that allows you to rotate the mechanism.